Pause video now, guys, girls, and folks, and have a look. Can you get this 1 mark question? Okay, on solving simultaneous equations graphically. Okay, it's quite a nice topic. Okay, it was question 28. So the last question on the foundation tier paper, or the second to last question. Again, it's quite a nice topic. Okay, so obviously given here like a diagram here, it says use these graphs to solve the simultaneous equations. 2 minus 2y is equal to x. Sorry, pardon me, and 2y is equal to 3x minus 22. Now, all we do literally, okay, whenever we're solving it graphically, we are seeing where do the two lines intersect, okay? They intersect here. So when we look at my coordinates, I'm going across to 6 and down to minus 2 or negative 2. So the x value will be 6 and the y value is equal to minus 2. And it's really as simple as that. So where do the two lines intersect? Where do they cross each other on the graph? They cross each other there. Okay, that is where they intersect or intercept. Okay, or cross each other